Binignit recipes. This is the main ingredients.
Brown sugar coconut milk binignit tapiocation ball rice. Sweet potato.
Okay. First, add water 500 milliliters. Then the second coconut milk. And 1/4 brown sugar.
Sure that mixture already boiled. Before adding the purple glutinous ball, then mixed well. Be careful when you put it down because hot water can bump on to your hands. Stir it in while. Sorry for my background voice, me daughter helped me this filming. And am happy because we have a bonding together. Okay, after meanwhile continuously drop the purple glutinous ball. After boiled, you can add the other ingredients, the sweet potatoes. Stir and cover it. Then if you see that purple glutinous ball floating, you can stir and add the fresh coconut milk. Looks good, sits perfect. Then add the remaining brown sugar. After that, cover it. Then open it again. Check the ingredients if cooked well done. Add the banana. For me, I add food coloring purple for more colorful texture. Add more to achieve the texture you want. Lastly, add the tapioca. Cook for another 5 minutes. Hope you enjoy this video. If you want to try this recipes, just follow my video. Happy watching, guys. It's me, your Jefferson vlog, saying that keep safe always.